It should be still a couple hundred high if I did it right. Find out. Looks like I tore the wood a little bit. The wood's not very strong. Not pretty as that one. This one here we should go. Alright, now. Dirty. Got a lot of sharp edges on this thing. A lot of things in the way around here for doing work.
Oh my god. Woodshop comedy.
I get the right spot. Need to burn that edge. Yeah, close enough. Good as new. Got my little deburring file over here.
Jesus.
That was one I was using though. That one. That one. Yeah, looks like a good one. Is that the right grit? That's the side it's going to get me, so it's the important side. Alright. Like a wood shop in here. Precision wood shop.
Okay.
Tatro's Precision Wood Shop. Alright, there's our height right there. Pretty flush on that side, a little high on the radius on this side. It's good that way. So that's how we'd cut that. Goes this way though. I also cut out this board over here to fit in the back. Goes in like that. Goes in like that. So the shelf sits on top of this wood. Sits on top of this wood down in the pocket, so it's the same height as that wood. The same piece. So that supports the desk, because the desk is right in the middle of the desk. So you look over here, see the support. So right now we're like right here with all the weight. So with a big piece of wood across the top, about 10 inches on both sides. So we're supported from across this area here all the way across. And then this one here goes all the way from one end to the other to support that, so it won't collapse. So there's going to be about 300 pounds sitting right here. Got to put all these shelves up on here and start putting the inventory on them.
Yeah.
It'll be heavy. So if you don't support your desk, it'll break. Even though these are good desks, it still will break. So there's the uprights. You have to cut those to fit. So next thing I got to cut these off here. So they'll sit on here. Fun, fun, fun. Alright, so now we need a piece of wood. Out in here. So now we determine how long we want this piece to be. So this one here, the support's right here. So the shelf's 2 foot wide.
What about your little added keyboard shelf?
It's not there right now.
Are you going to put it on top of this?
No.
Okay.
That's not going to be there. These legs are sitting on the floor, see? The desk goes all the way to the floor here. I'm not on the sitting on the desk. I'm going to weight on this one and weight on this one. That one's on the floor.
Yep.
So now I just got to do how much do I want this hanging out in my way? We're coming out 2 foot. So we need to be at least an extra inch because it's going to pull away from the wall, probably 1/4 inch. We need probably 1 inch of hanging out. And a brace. So it's doesn't run the risk of falling off. How close to the edge you want to get. You can be right on the edge like that, but it might fall off. So right now we're 1 inch out, but I know this is not going to sit flat against this wall because there's going to be bracing and screws back there. So it's going to probably wind up sitting about right here. So how much more do I want to bring it out? This takes away from the desk being used for a desk for packing and stuff like that. So I think I'm going to radius these corners a little bit also because I hate sharp edges that hurt me. See that one's radius?
Yeah. There you go. Another one down there, don't you?
I even radius this one too.
Yeah, you got to do that bottom one on the floor too.
I haven't done the floor yet. So I think I'm going to cut this length here, maybe 1/4 inch longer. I'm going to put the radiuses in here so it's better. I'll determine what I'm going to do. Down here, I already did these two here. I had to grind these flat, they were warped. More that single custom shelving. It's not sit flat.
Nice.
So instead of being on a 2x6 like that down there, I'll probably put on top of a 2x4 that resembles this piece right here. I'll put that down there. I'm going to come out all the way across, I think. But I will probably cut this in a radius because I kind of like that. I'm kind of goofy about stuff like that. So this will go down here like that. And I'm going to determine how much I want to radius that. Probably not just a little bit. Nice long one so when you have toe catches on it, it won't peel it away. I want to support the floor pretty good, so technically I only need 2 foot, which is about here.
Yeah.
These are going to go like this. They want to go against the wall. This one will go here. 2 foot out's right here. So if I radius it all the way to here, I can go that far with the radius, depending on what I want to do. However I want to do that, figure it out. So that'll be our bottom one. I can even put that on the outside, I can flip around the inside. Which I do. So that'll be that piece. And this one over here, we'll cut this one. Should be good to go. Alright, be back. Someone told me to make a tool that comes off of here to keep it straight. Might resemble this.
Yep, that's it.
Yeah, it's already made. Actually came with the machine. Let's see how close it cuts. Close. Pretty close. That's nice and flat. I was off by 1/16 of an
As it
inch.
should be.
I was off by 1/16 of an inch when I did the last one.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Did it by hand, I was off by 16. So it was off. Alright, this we're going to cut the radius off here a little bit. Perfectly square, right?
Yeah.
Cut that extra amount off I just put on there. A little better. See my modification here?
Okay. All right.
It vibrates a lot. Every day those wheels aren't very flat and round and true
No.
anymore. Pretty uneven actually. Okay, one your way. Look out. Get in there.